Earth once had a second moon, and it didn't end well. We all know the moon. It's Earth's loyal companion, always there in the night sky. But what if I told you, it used to have a sibling? Yes. According to real scientific theories, Earth once had two moons, and the second one, it didn't just vanish, it might have crashed into the moon we see today. Let's break down the mystery of Earth's forgotten moon, and how it changed the moon forever. Part 1. The Theory of the Twin Moon. This all starts with a study published in 2011 by researchers from the University of California and Harvard. They proposed that around 4.5 billion years ago, Earth didn't just form one moon, it formed two. After a Mars-sized object called Theia collided with early Earth, debris flew into orbit. That debris eventually clumped together, forming the moon. But some models say it could have created two moons instead, a large one, ours, and a much smaller companion, maybe 1,000 kilometers wide. For millions of years, both moons orbited Earth, peacefully. But peace doesn't last forever. Part 2. The Cosmic Collision. Over time, the smaller moon's orbit became unstable, gravity did its thing, and eventually, it crashed into the larger moon. Not with an explosion, but with a slow-motion, sideswipe impact. The result? Not a total destruction, but a kind of cosmic splatter. Material from the smaller moon may have spread out and merged with one side of the bigger moon, and that, scientists believe, could explain one of the biggest lunar mysteries. Part 3. The moon's two faces. The moon has a near side and a far side. We always see the same face, but the far side? It's completely different, rugged, mountainous, covered in thick crust and strange terrain. And here's the thing, no one has fully explained why, but if another moon slammed into it and spread across the surface, that would explain the extra layer of crust, the asymmetry, the weird topography. It could also explain why the moon wobbles slightly as it orbits, like it's still carrying a scar from an ancient hit. Part 4. What happened to the second moon? If the theory is true, then Earth's second moon didn't disappear. It's literally part of the moon we see today. Merged, absorbed, a ghost moon hiding in plain sight. That means every time you look at the moon, you're also looking at the wreckage of a long-lost lunar sibling. It's like the moon ate its twin. Cosmic sibling rivalry, on a whole other level. Conclusion. So, did Earth once have two moons? Science doesn't have a definite answer yet. But this theory is gaining traction, because it explains so much about the moon's shape, structure, and strange surface. And if it's true, then the moon we know today is only half the story. A remnant, a survivor, and a monument to a silent, forgotten collision. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you might just be staring at the ghost of another moon.